Today, I want to dive into the fascinating world of robotics and explore how it's rapidly changing the future. As Daniel H. Wilson, a renowned robotics engineer and New York Times best-selling author once said, there are an endless number of things to discover about robotics. A lot of it is just too fantastic for people to believe. We've been conditioned to think of robots as something that's far off in the future, something we'll only see in sci-fi movies and shows. But the truth is, we're already living in a world where robots are becoming increasingly prevalent. The advancements that are pouring out of robotics labs all over the world are nothing short of incredible, and they're bringing us closer to a new age of advanced robots. Gone are the days of clunky, dumb machines. The robots of today are increasingly human-like and have silicon minds that are processing information faster than ever before. And in this video, we'll explore the bleeding edge of artificial intelligence and the first generation of robots that are set to change the world as we know it. Are you ready to join me on this exciting journey? Picture a towering robot with the grace of a ballerina and the strength of a weightlifter. That's HRP-5P, an impressive humanoid prototype developed in Japan. At almost 6 feet tall, this robot is the same height as the average human and boasts incredible flexibility and movement. Its arms are capable of 8 degrees of freedom each, allowing for a total of 37 degrees of freedom across its body. But HRP-5P's abilities don't end there. This giant also has an impressive brain to match its brawn. Thanks to advanced intelligence features, the robot can recognize objects and understand the environment around it. And in a jaw-dropping demonstration, it was seen using an electric screwdriver to install a gypsum board on a wall with ease. The creators behind this powerhouse of a robot envision it one day constructing buildings, houses, ships, and aircraft. Who knows what else this impressive machine is capable of? One thing is for sure, the future is looking bright with the help of robotics technology like this one. At number 6, we have Shorana, the humanoid robot produced by the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers in Iran, named after the Parthian general. The robot has come a long way since its first incarnation, Shorina 1, which could only play football and speak Persian. Today, the 4th iteration, Shorina 4, is a significant upgrade from its predecessors. Shorina 4 boasts 43 degrees of freedom with high dexterity in the hands. This means that the robot can grasp objects using its whole body or pick up small objects using its hands alone. Plus, it's not just advanced. Standing at 1.7 meters tall and weighing 68 kilograms, it's one of the largest humanoid robots in the world. The Shorina 4 project aimed to create a better AI, and it succeeded. The robot can detect and count faces and objects, recognize activities, listen to speech, and even talk. With each new generation, the robot takes a leap forward in advancement. Who knows what the next version, Shorina 5, will bring? Maybe it'll be the most advanced robot in the world. Forget what you know about robots, because Aquanaut is a whole different beast. This isn't your typical humanoid or wheeled machine. Aquanaut was made to explore the underwater world, and it does it in style. This sleek submersible may look unassuming at first, but with the flip of a switch, 2 massive arms appear, ready to tackle the most challenging underwater infrastructure jobs. And what's more, Aquanaut can handle these tasks with minimal human intervention. Aquanaut's capabilities are quite impressive. With a top speed of 6 knots, this aquatic robot can cover a lot of ground while scanning the seabed. It can also carry a payload of up to 91 kilograms and keep working for up to 75 hours. However, the real star of the show is its manipulators, which boast more than 6 degrees of freedom and a full 360 degrees of continuous rotation. This means Aquanaut can survey an area, repair oil pipelines, or manage aquaculture products, all without risking human life. But what sets Aquanaut apart from other underwater robots is its autonomy. It works on the robot operating system, which is widely used across the industry. But unlike other robots, Aquanaut doesn't rely on a direct, wired connection to home base. Instead, it operates vastly more autonomously, making it an excellent candidate for exploring the deep blue sea. Nauticus Robotics, the manufacturer behind Aquanaut, has high hopes for this marine machine. They believe it represents the future of underwater robotics, and it's hard to argue with them. With Aquanaut, the possibilities for underwater exploration and maintenance are endless. What if I told you there's a robot that could give Olympic gymnasts a run for their money? Well, that's exactly what Disney's Stuntronic robot can do. Nicknamed Stickman, this agile robot has the grace and athleticism of an acrobat, performing death-defying aerial flips, twists, and poses with incredible precision and repeatability. Its onboard sensors are so sophisticated that it can calculate its trajectory, control its rotation and orientation in the air, making it possible for the robot to perform jaw-dropping stunts that would make your head spin. Creating a robot that can do somersaults while flying 60 feet high is no easy feat, but the Disney engineers behind Stickman have pulled it off. Using a complex system of accelerometers, gyroscopes, and laser rangefinders, Stickman can judge distance and speed, conserve angular momentum, and achieve precision aerial motion control. Although the team hasn't perfected the landing yet, it's only a matter of time before Stickman wows Disney audiences with its incredible acrobatic feats. Who knows, maybe one day we'll see Stickman performing live shows alongside its human counterparts. Get ready to meet Handle, the robotic sensation that's changing the game in the world of automation. This Segway-inspired robot is the latest creation from Boston Dynamics, and it's taking the industry by storm. With its two-wheeled design, Handle can speed around the factory floor with ease, picking and stacking boxes up to 45 kilograms using a nifty vacuum arm. Gone are the days of clumsy and complicated robotic legs. The Boston Dynamics team went back to basics with Handle, and it's paid off big time. The simplicity of its design makes Handle the perfect solution for logistical tasks. But don't let its simple appearance fool you. This is one advanced piece of machinery. The team has put their years of experience with quadruped and biped robots to good use, and the physics-based roots of its balance and dynamic control are evident in its movement. With a range of 24 kilometers, Handle can complete a full factory shift without breaking a sweat. Its two wheels give it the freedom to navigate tight corners and spaces that would have been impossible for a traditional legged robot. In short, Handle is a practical and functional robot that's transforming the way we think about automation. So get ready to see Handle in action. With its impressive speed, agility, and range, this robot is sure to be a game changer in the industry. Meet Atlas, the robot who's taken the world by storm with its incredible agility and grace. It's hard to believe that a decade ago, such fluid movements were unimaginable. With 28 hydraulic joints and a lightweight body, Atlas can do it all. Jump, walk, run, backflip, and even dance. How does Atlas do it? It all comes down to three factors. Firstly, it has an extensive library of template motions that it uses to construct complex routines. Secondly, it uses advanced sensors for real-time perception of its environment. And finally, Atlas uses model predictive control to anticipate and adjust its motion over time. Atlas's capabilities are so advanced that it can stumble and wobble, only to regain its balance with remarkable ease. This robot is so lifelike that many people initially thought the viral videos of it backflipping were CGI. But trust us, it was all real. Weighing just 89 kilograms and with a top speed of 2.5 meters per second, Atlas is one of the most physically capable robots out there. Boston Dynamics is now working on improving its automation so it can conduct routines without extensive pre-planning and orchestration required by previous versions. Watch out, because Atlas is set to revolutionize the industry like never before. Meet Maker, the not-quite-human robot that is revolutionizing the field of human expression. Unlike its robotic peers that prioritize physical movement, Maker's focus is on producing stunningly emotive expressions using 17 individual motors. With artificial intelligence and machine learning systems, it can learn and evolve as it interacts with humans, making it a truly interactive and intelligent machine. Engineered Arts, the masterminds behind Maker, have equipped the robot with an array of cameras, depth sensors, LiDAR, and microphones that help it detect and interpret human expressions and behaviors. The result is a lifelike robotic face that can display an incredible range of emotions. One thing that sets Mecha apart from its competitors is its unique design. After previous attempts at creating more human-like robots proved to be unsettling, Engineered Arts opted for a grey, plastic face that falls just short of mimicking a human's appearance. It's a clever solution that keeps the robot from falling into the uncanny valley. As a modular design, a mecha is easily upgradable, and the team behind the robot has big plans for the future. They hope to add movement capabilities so that a mecha will be the ultimate machine. It's exciting to think about what the future holds for this groundbreaking robot. So what's your take on the future of robotics? Are you ready to embrace the rise of advanced machines, or do you still need some convincing? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let's get the conversation going. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to keep an eye out for our next one. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time.